How to change language in Carrom Pool. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are on Carrom Pool and want to play in your favorite language, first of all launch open the Carrom Pool application on your device. From the home page of Carrom Pool, go to the top left and tap on the gear button. Inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, scroll down and click the change button right next to language. Now select a different language you want to change to from the list. Choose any one language and click confirm. This will take a few seconds and your game will update in your preferred language. Carrom Pool supports multiple languages, so pick the one you are most comfortable with. Now you can enjoy Carrom Pool in your favorite language and focus on scoring those Carrom points like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.